everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Mina eyebrow henna. I am naturally blonde and I like to have my eyebrows match my dyed dark hair. I don't like to use anything that has chemicals or ammonia. This is 100% plant-based, completely natural, no chemicals, no harsh scent. I absolutely love it. It lasts a really long time. I only have to do it about once every 6 weeks. And this little box contains 30 applications. So it lasts forever. I rarely have to rebuy it. Inside the box, there is this little container right here. And this is for your leftover because you are going to mix it in this little cup right here. You do not need a lot. It's super easy and you only have to use a little bit. So you mix it in this little cup with this little spoon right here. And then you use this for the water. So you're gonna pour the powder, which is this, directly into this little cup. You take a few drops of this water, mix it up until it is that henna kind of consistency, not super runny, but not like a paste either. And then you just apply it wherever you want it. Obviously, I do my eyebrows. I know people that use it for faux freckles. So it's really versatile and you can use it for a lot of different things and you don't have to worry about it being on your face because there's no chemicals. So I absolutely love it. It covers grays, it covers my blonde hairs naturally. Really well. I don't have to worry about it staining anything on my skin like hair dye does. I just think it's great. So if you are looking to maybe dye your eyebrows, maybe you're wanting to do some faux freckles and you want something that's going to last a long time, you don't have to keep retouching it over and over, I would highly recommend you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.